How to log into Barclays Online Banking Account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, open up any web browser you want and on the search bar search for barclays.co.uk. You can also search for Barclays login and then click on this website. Once you're here, click on the login button, which you can see at the top of your screen. After clicking on this option, you're going to find the logging options from here. Now, there are three ways on how you can log in. The first one is membership number. So you simply want to click on this option if you want to log in through your membership number. For that, enter your last name. Then enter your 12-digit membership number. Check the option that says remember my last name and login method if you want that and click on the continue option. To log in with your card number, enter your last name, your 16-digit card number and click on continue. For sort code and account number, enter your last name, sort code, account number and then click on the continue option. Now you can use any of these methods to log into your Barclays online banking account, and that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.